Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.
This has been an issue that surfaced over 6 years ago. This indictment is basically, I hope, one of the initial stages of bringing closure to this issue. We're also hoping that the issue of reimbursement will be something that will be addressed as part of the court case.
Guam Housing and Urban Renewal Authority Executive Director Michael Duenas is responding to the indictment against former legal counsel Mark Smith and co-defendant Glenn Wong. Following years of federal probe, their indictment was unsealed in the District Court of Guam last week. At issue is Smith's dual role as former GHURA legal counsel as well as a landlord under the Section 8 program. According to court documents, Smith and Wong conspired to conceal Smith's apparent conflict of interest. Smith transferred his Dedido, Mongmong Totu Maiti, to Muning and Agate properties to Wong, who allegedly received the housing assistance payments and would send the funds back to Smith by transferring and withdrawing funds, writing checks to pay off Smith's credit cards, and making loan payments for Smith. A total of $281,000 was deposited into Wong's account and later paid out to Smith. Smith appeared in court on Monday to answer to the charges, but will likely return later this week. Smith's attorney, David Lujan, filed a stipulated motion to continue today's hearing to Tuesday or Wednesday, quote, in the interest of justice to enable the defendants to have effective assistance of counsels and to ensure that the defendants' constitutional rights are preserved, end quote. Wong is represented by attorney James Maher, who also signed the motion. Meanwhile, Duenas says they're tightening up policy, which he plans to present at an informational briefing for the agency. Housing Chairperson Senator Talina Cruz Nelson called for the briefing in light of the federal case. Duenas says all employees and future members appointed to the board are subject to the vetting process.
We vet them. We ask for the names of their immediate family members, and we run that through our database of over 1,100 landlords to ensure that there is no conflict of interest. And we have recently issued out a advisory to our employees, basically saying if you are aware of any of your immediate family members are participating as landlords in the Section 8 program, please bring that to our attention.
The hearing is set for Monday, April 3rd at 2 p.m. at the Guam Congress Building. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal Paco.
Brought to you by GTA, your island, your network.